Nowadays, open burning rice straw is a serious social concern. Many of cases of disease stated is from the pollutants air, produced by open burning of collecting of residual waste after harvesting the rice grains. According to WHO, air pollution in both cities and rural areas was estimated to cause 4.2 million premature deaths worldwide per year in 2016. The researcher's voice.
Stop open burning rice straw.
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 After the farmers harvested the rice grain, researchers gathered all the rice straw from the Poblacion 1, Purok Dato-Caca, Torreon, Cotabato City, and the total of collecting of rice straw is estimated 14 kilos. The rice straw has been chopped with the intention of shredding into small pieces that will be easy to work with in the following stages. This is the list of all the materials used. For the treatment 0,
Prepare first the rice straw, then boil the water.
take note we need 3 liters of water.
Next, add the rice straw and wait at least 2 hours until it softens. Next, add a 25 ml of glue, 60 ml of cornstarch, and 3 liters of water in the basin and mix it.
After that, together with the rice straw and the mixture of glue, cornstarch, and water, blend it until shown softness.
Subsequently, put the outcome mixture of rice straw in the molder, then flatten the surface.
And it depends on the researchers if they want to use materials that help surface flat like a rolling pin.
First, put the water in a pot, then add the 60 ml cup of cornstarch, then stir it until the cornstarch becomes sticky.
After that, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/2 cup of water until the result is smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then wait at least 2 minutes until to see the phase of paste texture. After finish, create a paste, attach it to the rice straw fiber to straighten it. Researchers use a blower, a flat iron, and sun rays to achieve the dry texture, and it also depends on the climate and time for the drying stage. This is the face of totally dried rice straw and became like a sheet of paper. Researchers use tailoring tools to stick it together, and they also use the current glue gun to stick the fiber and add strength, but this is optional. After stitching, the fiber eco bags is colored with varnish. Finally, researchers made an eco bag from rice straw with the presence of varnish and base based on treatment 0. For the treatment 1, prepare rice straw and then boil 3 liters of water.
Combination of 25 ml of sodium hydroxide.
Then mix it and wait 2 hours before completely softened.
Next, add a 25 ml of glue, 60 ml of cornstarch, and 3 liters of water in the basin and mix it.
After that, together with the rice straw and the mixture of glue, cornstarch, and water, blend it until show softness.
Next, the outcome of rice straw from the mixer, put in the molder, and then depends on the researchers how they flat the surface or if they use optional tools like rolling pin. Now we are in the drying stage. Next, from the DIY paste, use it to coat the product to give more strength to hold the fiber. After finish coating the product, dry it again and wait until the product totally dry from the help of sun rays, blower, and flat iron. This is the face of totally dried rice straw. After all the process of making the rice straw paper, we are now in the shaping process of making it into an eco bag by manually tailoring it. It depends on the size, what they would be like in terms of size and design. Now, we are here in the final product of the treatment number 1 from the turning rice straw into a reusable eco bag.